afternoon, rejuvenated obviously, as I always put in words of positivity. MFI and Dr. Swati Dasri's Elements of Success, first time in India Mind Training Confidence Building Program. Thank you MFI, thank you Mr. Manoj Maheshwar for giving me the best of everything. The comfort zone, the aura, the positivity, the human resource, the infrastructural disposition, the technical support, the camera, the stand, my photographer today, Dilip, and each and everyone. So grateful I am. MFI and Dr. Swati Dasri's Elements of Success. Today my specialized area will remain as believe in yourself, mind training skills. 21 areas calculated, researched, inculcated, nurtured. And it's a grievance of the mind. The mind demands. The mind needs. The success story to begin, the mind starts with believe in yourself. Too tough. As I always say, all the areas are too tough because first time in India mind training program going on with confidence building. It starts and ends with mind, dear friends, all over the world. Thank you universe, thank you the Mother Earth. And my priority in life will always remain till my last breath, my mother, the cosmic power, and each and everyone so positive in my life to make this video today. Thanking you. Believe in yourself. It sounds too easy. I know, I believe in myself. Yes. Thanks a lot. It sounds great that you believe in yourself. But globally, what is the percentage? I think not even 5. Not even 5. So 90 to 95% of people are suffering just because we don't believe in ourselves. Can you imagine that? It has nothing to do with bank balance, fat bank balance, how many cars you have, what you do, your success story you made, your establishment, your accomplishment, your career, your ambition. But still, each and everyone in this planet do not believe in ourselves. No. Very few are successful because they believe in themselves. We don't. And I take up this area as very seriously. 21 areas are serious. But again, this starts with much more seriousness to go forward till the 21. Why can't we believe in ourselves? What is the problem in it? Because we are not positive minded. Our mind is not trained. We believe in others, we don't believe in ourselves. That is the reason we suffer mentally, financially, career-wise, ambition-wise, situationally, starting at home, from the home to each and everywhere we go. Because we are carrying the same attitude. Because we are carrying the same mind. Because we are carrying the same thought process. We are remaining the same because your mindset is the same. Believing in yourself as I do, I am moduled, scientifically researched modules, intensive, extensive, capsule, abridged, short, long, rigorous, flexible, anyone and everyone, for anyone and everyone from any background, whoever you might be. Because I personally believe in individual success story. I individually believe, really firmly believe, everyone should be successful. Everyone should be entrepreneur. Everyone should be laboring the qualities of yourself to make the society, to make our country, to make the universe the best place to live in. 5 million individual students, I want to make them successful with Mind Training Confidence Building Program. Because without mind, you cannot be successful. Without a mind, you cannot be successful. A positively affirmed mind, assured mind, positive affirmations with your attitude, fully positive, fully charged with positivity, the aura, the vibrations. Then only you can start believing in yourself. And it is a mental process, dear friends, all over the world. It's a mental process, internal process. As you eat the best food, then only you will get the result. Externally, whatever you apply on the skin, it will not give you 100%. It's science, it's basic science. Taught researched, inculcated, learned from the top-notch academicians all over the world. From Dale Carnegie Institute of Mind Training, Washington. I am privileged, and just because of my mother. Mental programmer, life coach, mental programming analysts, mind trainer, educator, all the best authors were our professors, So much privileged I am, so that I have given a chance from the universe, and that caused me power to deliver a bit and share with you all over the world, my dear friends. Watching my videos, anyone who just feel motivated, get charged by the sensitivity, by the sensibility, by the sensitive disposition of your mind, please get in touch. Please call, please send mail, who are in Mumbai, who are visiting Mumbai, who are in India, visiting Mumbai, please get in touch. If you feel my words had changed your mind's perimeter, perspective a bit, that means I have won the game. I have just won the game. I'll be the happiest person in this world. Thank you, MFI, brilliantly, fantabulously, for supporting my potential, understanding my profile of academic acumen, understanding me, my worth. I am grateful. It is very rare in life, but I have got it. Thanking you once again who are here today in the orientation program, because we are having together side by side orientation program, capsule courses, abridged versions, one-to-one session, group session, seminars and workshops. So each and every one in this summer of Bombay, heat wave in Mumbai, still you people thought of all age group, I can say, that let us go and check what is happening. Many are watching the videos and making calls of confirmation that we want to meet you, ma'am. We want to talk with you. We want to make interaction of that level so that we can start the training. It's a matter of need, dear friends. It's a matter of priority, dear friends. To make your own success story, to make growth, to make prosperity, heart, mind, body, soul together, not only with money. Only with money you cannot be happy. It's not easy. It has to come from the mind. That peace, that contentment. Whatever your dreams were, it will be dreams are to be successful. Without a mind, without confidence, without positive affirmation, it's a challenge you cannot. It's a challenge because it's proven science. Thank you once again so much, here, there, everywhere, to all of you over here. Thank you once again. Dear friends, here that we are doing sensible human approach, justifiable, matured human approach with mind training confidence building program. Thank you once again. MFI and Dr. Swati Dasri's The Elements of Success, first time in India, mind training confidence building program, 21 rigorously researched specialized areas to deliver to the world. Grateful, indebted. Manoj Maheshwarji, your total team, you are everything, and my bit of a brain. Together we have joined hands. We just wish to conquer the world in this mind training confidence building program, reaching all the parts of the globe. Let us make this world the best place to live in. Join hands. Thank you from Dr. Swati Dasri.